Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Hedera Hashgraph. After a long time, I'm going to post my analysis on Hedera Hashgraph because almost after a year, it has formed another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern on the weekly time frame chart. And before this, I shared this Gartley move with you when the price line completed the Gartley pattern on the 12-hour chart, and I was expecting up to 174% rally. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that I was expecting that as per the Fibonacci calculations of this bullish Gartley pattern, the price line will be moved down to complete this final leg. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action moved down up to 3 cents. You can see that the price action moved down to 2.9 cents and rallied up to 6.4 cents. That was more than 100% rally and moved down again. This was a huge move, and this time it has completed another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and I'll definitely share all the buying and sell targets with you in this video as well. And before starting my analysis, I would like to request you, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And remember, this is not an investment advice. This is only for the educational purpose, and this is my research that I am going to share with you. First of all, I want to share with you this chart, and you can see that this is the daily time frame chart, and the price line is moving under all the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 200, and 100. Recently, we have also received a death cross between the 50 and the 200 simple moving averages, and you can see that while this death cross was being formed, at the same time the price action was moving towards the upside. The reason was that the oscillators were oversold. Let me show you the stochastic. This is the stochastic oscillator, and we can see that when this death cross was being formed here, the stochastic was in the oversold zone. Therefore, when the stochastic started moving towards the upside, the price action followed the signals of the stochastic oscillator and started moving towards the upside. At this time, you can see that the price action has almost broken out this 25 simple moving average, and at this time it is moving between the 50 and 25 simple moving averages. However, it has so many resistance levels of the simple moving averages like 50, 100, and 200. And here I have also shown the two major support and resistance levels, even though we have several support and resistance level on the chart, but I'm going to share only two major support and resistance level. This is the key level support at this time at 16 cents. You can see that previously it had been working as a support, resistance here, and as a resistance here, and after the rejection, the price action broke out this resistance here, and then it has been working as a very nice support here and here as well. And recently we have seen that the price action is not able to break down the support, and after getting bounced, it is moving towards the upside and breaking out the 50 simple moving average at this time. Now the major, very strong, and the final resistance is at 40 cents. You can see that after several attempts, the price action so far is not able to break out this 40 cents resistance level as per the Binance exchange. Therefore, once the price line will break out this 40 cents resistance, then there will be a really very big move started. However, you can see there is a big move required in order to reach up to 40 cents resistance level, because the price line at this time is moving at 18 cents. So we need more than 100% move to reach up to 40 cents resistance level. Okay, at the same time, on the same daily time frame chart, let me show you here. This is the same daily time frame chart, and here if I place this regression tool, this is really very useful tool to identify the different down or up channel. Now if I place this regression tool here from this candlestick to this candlestick, then we can see that the price action was moving in a down channel very well, and here the price action has found another resistance here. Therefore, now the price line has formed another down channel within this down channel. And so far you can see when since when the price action was stuck in this channel, the price action is not able to move up to the resistance of the bigger down channel. Now if I place the regression tool again here from this candlestick to this current candlestick, then we can see that the price action is moving in this channel, and now the price line is trying to break out the resistance of the channel. At the same time, the price line is also trying to break out this resistance of the 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart as well. Now I would like to show you a very important chart, and this is the Fibonacci based harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern, and I'll share the complete calculation of this chart with you. You can see that this is the initial leg, because this is a bit tricky here. We can have some confusion whether it is a bad move or the Gartley, because after the initial leg it has been retraced. You can watch here between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. If you take a look at the bad Fibonacci calculations of the bad pattern, then it can retrace between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. However, it can also move to 0.618 as well, but not more than that. And if we take a look at the Gartley move, it can retrace between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, but not more than 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So here we can see that it has retraced a little bit more than 0.618. Therefore, there can be some confusion. It's quite tricky that the price action is going to behave like a bad pattern or like a Gartley pattern. Like if it is a bad pattern, then the buying zone can be started from here. That is 0.11 cents or 12 cents approximately, and goes to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. If I pull it down, then we can see that the buying zone can go up to this level, that is approximately at 8 cents. However, you can also see that we also have very good support of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. Therefore, for this trade, if I'm going to trade this pattern, then I will not use this maximum extent of the potential reversal zone of this Gartley as a stop loss. I will use this 50 simple moving average as a stop loss. And if it is going to behave like a bad move, then it can move more down between 12 cents to 8 cents. And in order to move in this area, it needs to break down this 50 simple moving average. That is very difficult to break down the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And the targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley pattern, sorry, this is the Gartley, not the bad. I'm assuming that this is the Gartley. Then I have shared the targets here at the Patreon, and let me just show you the targets. The buying range starts from, these are the targets. The buying range starts from 19 cents to 12 cents, and the sell targets can be from 25 cents to 38.36 cents. However, after such a big bullish reversal, we can expect that it can even move more up to break out this final resistance as per the Binance exchange, this 40 cents final resistance level, and it can start a very big bullish mega bull run. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.